Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to validate a Pancard in Python. So let's start the tutorial. The command is py, my file name pancard validate.py, enter. Notice here it's prompting to enter the valid pan ID. Now I am adding some random invalid pan number. When I click enter, notice it's not a valid pan ID. The pan ID must be the first 5 characters will be the letters, next the 4 digits, then the last one is a single letter. Now let's enter the valid pan number K C D E F 4520 and I am adding capital Z. And notice here when I click enter, we got it's a valid pan ID because in my code I have written whatever the lower cases are there, it will convert into the upper cases. That's why it's a valid pan ID.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials, and here it is. Our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Now let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder, I will create one new Python file called Pancard validate.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to check the enter Pancard is valid or not in Python. So when we want to validate the Pancard, we need to use a regular expression. So first let's import RE module. Then I want to enter by the user, the Pancard entered by the user. So here I am adding some, let's add the variable x is equals to input method, enter the valid pan number, pan ID. So pan ID must be the uppercase. So here I will give an example how it looks the Pancard number. Capital letters A, B, C, D, E, and the next following characters will be the letters, 4 letters, and the last one will be the 1 character. So the total Pancard characters will be 10 characters, and the first 5 characters will be the letters, and the next 4 characters will be the digits, and the last one will be the single character. All letters must be uppercase. That's why I have added the uppercase. Now here I am adding the result is equals to, so result is equals to re.compile function. Here I am adding string A to Z and A to Z, the first 5 characters. So here I am adding 5 between curly brackets. Then I require the decimals, digits, sorry, digits D, which will be the 4, and the last one is a single character. After that, if result dot match function, if result dot match function x, then print it's a valid pan ID, or else print it's not a valid pan ID. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. How to validate the enter PAN card ID is valid or not. The command is py, my file name pancard validate.py, enter. Notice it here, it's prompting to enter the valid PAN ID. Now I am adding some random invalid PAN number. When I click enter, notice it's not a valid PAN ID. The PAN ID must be, the first 5 characters will be the letters, next the 4 digits, then the last one is a single character, single letter. Now let's enter the valid PAN number K C D E F 4520, and I am adding capital Z. And notice here when I click enter, we got it's a valid PAN ID, because in my code I have written whatever the lower cases are there, it will convert into the upper cases. That's why it's a valid PAN ID. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to validate a PAN ID in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.